in your mouth.
What's happening, guys? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. As you can see, the thumbnail of this video, Ethereum against Bitcoin. We will see the dominance of Ethereum and altcoins and see what is happening. Okay? Let's look at the markets. What's happening with Bitcoin? 28.4, going up and down, up and down. Man, XRP did well, 55. So, what are the biggest gainers today? 0.98, 30%. CoinFlux, 22%. So, double digits. Okay, CeeLo did double digit. That's good. Algorand. I made a video for Ren a few days ago, you know, and it's pumping. See? Oh, Jasmine had a good day, 12%, almost. H bar. I'll have to see H bar. I got some H bar. Okay. Sean Young. Hell yeah. Absolutely, brother. Robert Richards. Bitcoin and ETH both suck. Yeah, man. Right now, that's what's going on. Let's see, you know. I feel it's forming like a rising wedge. This is Ethereum against Bitcoin, right? And I feel it's forming a rising wedge. You can say that it broke this resistance, but it has done this several times. See, it broke this, went up, broke it, went up. So I wouldn't worry about this too much. I think I would consider this more like a wedge, a rising wedge. If you ideally, it should go from here this way, like that. But whichever way you look at it, it's a rising wedge. And I feel at some point it's going to break it. You know, if you count this, it just broke towards downside. But depends how you look at it. See, what's funny about Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is if you flip the chart upside down, it looks like Jasmine. Okay? Look at that. This chart is upside down. And it looks like Jasmine. Look at that. Let me show you Jasmine. Look at that. Imagine this was Jasmine. Right. And see where Jasmine went? Look at Ethereum against Bitcoin chart now. Where is it at? So if you put this just like the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, you know, so I think this is where we are going. We will stick to this trend line right here. So it's just a matter of time that we break down. You see what I mean? Look at this chart and look at this chart. That was Jasmine. That's your Ethereum. $2024. Yeah, I would say it's just a matter of time we break this and boom, go down. It'll start to this is reverse, okay? This is a flip chart. And it's gonna be aggressive. Depends. See, that's how I see it. This is the straight chart now of Ethereum against Bitcoin. So I do see a reversal coming. right here. See, if you put an arc to it, then you see this too, right? You feel it? I think we are on a cusp of, moving up Ethereum, especially against Bitcoin, in a big way. This is the chart of Ethereum against dollar. Again, rising wedge. If you look at this, we've been pretty consistent. Whenever we hit this line, trend line, we bounce. See, we bounced here. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So I think it's high time that Ethereum, I would say this way. Look at this way. You can say Ethereum's trying to break out of this. So will we come back down to this $1,500 level? I'm not sure, brother. But looks like it's ready. Will we come one more time to this $1,500 mark? I'm not sure. I think we already did here once. Hey, that 1385 was your last chance, I think. Looks like Ethereum's ready. Look at that, man. I'm being very, how shall I say? Lenient with Ethereum. Okay, we have to, let's put it this way, because I think this market's gonna be there until 2025. So do expect some sort of correction coming later on. But can we do this, that Ethereum goes up this way? Because I do expect a dump, so a massive dump. So is it possible that we do this and then dump back down to $2,000? Yeah, it's possible. $2,000 or $3,300. $3,300 going to 7,000, and it's possible. And then you move further. I haven't looked at Ethereum for a long time. So I think the next target that I see here is at least $7,000. 7,000, I would say between, to be conservative, $7,000 Ethereum. Could be wrong on the timing, but 7,000 Ethereum is coming. When exactly? I don't know, bro. We can go a little up and then come back down one more time to 1560. Yeah, it's possible. But yeah, 2023, if we go up massively, then this would be the target. 7,000, between 7,000 to 7,500 would be my target. And I would expect a big correction coming from there. Look at that. 618 comes to $9,000. Right. 2618 comes to $30,000. Yeah, man. 618 is at $9,000. Can we just push to that amount? Possible. We'll see. Steve, bro, 55 bucks. Man, amazing. I never got this much donation ever. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you. Excited, man. Excited. Glad to see you live now, Shrey. Was just about to do my daily crypto research. Still am while watching ya. Awesome, awesome. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it, brother. So yeah, Ethereum, I don't see anywhere else except, you know, between $7,000 to $8,000. I would still say it would not go to 618, and it would not go to 618, and it would. Everyone would be expecting, okay, it will go to 618 to this $10,000 mark, but no, not right away. I think this is a huge between $6,800 to $7,000 would be max for ETH, and I would expect a huge crash after that. But that would be where I would expect Ethereum to go, because you see, I've seen this fractal before. If you look at, let me show you altcoin cycle, okay? This is the total crypto market cap. Look at the wick, guys. Look at the wick here. How low did it go? So all people who are expecting that $10,000 Bitcoin, guys, it already went there. Okay, $10,000-$12,000. That's why you see this huge wick. It is still there. It is still there. I thought it will disappear, but it's still there. There are exchanges where Bitcoin went to $12,000 or $10,000. I'm pretty sure. You know, so it's been done. This scam wick, I don't think we are going down. There are a lot of people on Twitter. There's a guy called Capo. He's talking about $10,000-$12,000. I don't think that is coming. But yeah, here, what I wanted to show you, a long time ago, I posted those charts for my Patreon. It's not this. It's the altcoin total market cap. Right there. See how this is? This was 2014. If you see the full cycle, you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at that wick. The altcoin wick. Where did it go? Bro. Oh my god. Look at that. Altcoins. That is crazy. And it's still there. The surprising fact is they're still showing this wick on the chart. Unbelievable. Well, what I wanted to show, I don't want to divert. See this? How we came back for a retest. And then we started to go up. Just like that. I feel this is the present scenario. Here we are. Right. Perfectly exact. Look at the similarity. Right. And are we still on this track? Yeah, we are still on this track. Look at this. The altcoins. Look at the altcoins. It's just perfectly on track. Yeah, man. I think it would move. Ethereum would move because Ethereum is the major altcoin. This whole chart is dominated by Ethereum. So I would think Ethereum's going to move. Ethereum is going to be one of the first ones to move. I would see not much difference between this chart and the Ethereum chart. So do you see the rising wedge again? I expect a big crash somewhere in the fourth quarter of 2023, right? Big crash. So it's possible that we go up to this level here, you know, touch this level and then come back down for a retest of this level right here before we skyrocket. Like here we went just up, you know, like vertical. We went after March, January, February, March we just went vertical. But here I think we would go up and stop at this level, come back down for a retest, and then go vertical in 2024, 2025. That's how I see this cycle. So we'll see. But right now, it just looks like Ethereum's ready. Ethereum, yeah. See?
Good morning.
I think the next level where I would see Ethereum, let's see.
Present is given. I'm here for you.
Just concerned about that 1550 mark. That will it go down to that level, or is it ready? Would it stop at 5,000? 5,500? Yep. 5,500 would be almost 200% pump. Yeah, that's doable, man. That's doable. Look.
Hey, you know you deserve it.
July, August. Yeah, man. July, August. If we keep pumping, just keep this open mind that it's possible that we might drop to 1,500. A wick could go to 1,500. Then, you know, we would still be able to go between $5,000 to $7,000. That would be my range. If I look at the chart from here, this perspective, then between $5,000 to $6,000. But if you look at the chart from here, then we're talking about $7,000, 7,500. We'll see. As we get closer, we will know much better. Chuck Freeman, how is Epic Cash doing in comparison? William Carroll, I spoke too soon. Back to the CD. Your information on the live is worth much more, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. It's the jeweler who knows the value of diamond. If you take it to the flea market, they would just say, hey, it's a stone, you know, would give you $2. If you take the same stone to a jeweler, they will say, okay, 100,000, 200,000. But again, you know, it's just, that's the reason I am in this community, bro, because I cannot find people like us out there. I barely have few friends, one or two I can count who are into crypto. That's why I want to make this community, and all the time I'm doing this, so I wanted to share stuff. But you know, I have few people in my Patreon with a lot of money, who can make a lot of money with the information that I have. Right? So it's good, man. You know, karma. You do good karma, good things happen to you, right? I get all the positive energy from you guys. You know, in some way or another, it touches my soul and my well-being. One way or another, it will happen. So, you know, I keep it that way. That's why I give majority of my stuff for free. I have my Patreon, but again, they know that I give most of my stuff. I wanted to thank my Patreon too. They're awesome. But yeah, man, I think Ethereum's ready. If at all it's possible, you know, it would jerk you around for a little while, because I see 2-3 weeks sideways actions possible, and then, you know, a little blip before we go up. It's possible. But I think Ethereum, that's where it's going. I think it's going between $5,000 to $7,000. This is, look at this. This is where Ethereum's going. Yeah, it depends how long we make the arc. Yeah, fourth quarter, I expect a crash. We'll see, man. Depending on all the other cryptos, everything depends on a lot of altcoins. Because I made this video 2-3 days ago about this big crash that I'm expecting, between 60 to 90% crash in altcoins. It will come for a lot of altcoins. There are so many altcoins will make a lower low, but we have to see where we are. Okay, right now, see this, the only chart scaring me, the scariest chart I keep on discussing is this chart. AUGUR Augur chart. This shows me a 90% dump. Huge dump for this chart, bro. So yeah, I mean, I cannot be accurate on timing, but eventually it dumps. So when it comes down here, you know, I think it's going to dump to 417, and it's going to pump back up to $10. So when it pumps back to this $10 level after the dump, you know, this is where I would take some profits, because I would expect a big dump coming. We would still get like 1 or 2 months after that, but that would be it. September is always a bad month, but it starts to go down sometimes in August. So yeah. You know, they have a saying in stock market, sell in May and go away. So after summer, fall could be the place where a lot of altcoins get their lower low. But Ethereum, Bitcoin could be going up, you know. Ethereum might hit $5,000 to $7,000, because Ethereum would have high dominance against altcoins, right? Let's see others. This is the chart of others. I think these are the top 200 cryptos. See, I have it ready. Told my Patreon. I told you guys too here. You know, putting all in here. Enjoyed the ride. Took some profits. Wrote it down. Now we are ready, man. We are ready. But again, there might be some altcoins which are going to get fucked. Okay, I'm very bullish on XRP. The only reason I'm holding down on altcoins is because of XRP. I feel very bullish about XRP, man. Very, very bullish. I know a lot of people don't like XRP. Like Robert Richards hates XRP. Free $5. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Bitcoin Baijan $100. Whoa! Whoa, bro! What is this? That's crazy. That's crazy. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Wow. Wow. Thank you for your info. And Jasmine yesterday helps a lot. Sure, brother. Bunkim, hi Shrebai. Can you please look at Dragon Chain? Sure, I will. I will. Thank you, man. You know, that's amazing. Thank you, brother. So, if you look at the Ethereum chart inverted, it just looks like Jasmine. Look at this chart inverted, okay? Don't you think it looks like that chart? Let me show you Jasmine. Do a fresh one. Okay. Okay, Ethereum against Bitcoin looks like Jasmine, not Ethereum against dollar. But look at this chart. People who are joining new, I just want to show you what I'm looking at. To me, it looks very similar to my eyes. Look at this. This is the inverted chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Let's remove this so you get a better picture. Spotlight from heart, sunshine. While you playing, I get you. Seems so good. Spotlight from heart. I don't think it'll go far. Look at this huge resistance here. Look at that. Huge resistance. It looks like it just penetrated through the resistance, but I think Ethereum's ready. Ethereum's ready. It's just a matter of time once we break this. Yeah, it'll just... Look at this. This was the scenario where Jasmine got stuck here, right? The moment we break this, Ethereum against Bitcoin, see here, this level, it's just going to go down like this. See this downfall? Gonna drop like a tart, bro. Drop like a tart, you know, like that. It just keep on dropping. Yep. Until 2025. Here, December 2025, summer of 2025, I would say. It'll keep on dropping the dominance against Bitcoin. I mean, it'll go up. This is an inverted chart. That's why if you look at this way, you will know what I'm talking about. Right? So this was the previous all-time high. And I believe it'll go past that. Just like, say for example, Ethereum. Look at this. Yeah, it would spend some time when it reaches its all-time high. Yeah, that's where it's going, I think. Yeah, man, just few more weeks left, just a waste of time for Ethereum before it just breaks free. Just few more weeks of haggling and just making you think what's happening, what's going on. Yeah. See this? That's how I see it. Enough is enough. We'll start to go up. Are you still bullish in 2024? Bro, I am bullish on the whole market. But the thing is, I am bullish on certain coins. Okay, there will be a crash. I feel 60 to 90% crash. There are many altcoins which have not reached their bottom. Right? So I just showed you today what's going to happen to Bitcoin Cash. I made a video about Bitcoin Cash. Let me show you what do I expect with Bitcoin Cash. BCH against Bitcoin, right? This is the chart, okay? BCH against Bitcoin. It made a lower low. It's done, bro. This is the bottom. You know, you want to catch a bottom. Have you caught a bottom ever off a crypto? Like bottom price, like boom, boom, bottom, right? Have you caught a bottom? This is, I call catching a bottom. Okay. This has gone lower, a little lower than I expected. I would have expected it to go 618 right here. So, but on a weekly, it will just show as a wick. This is a 3-day chart. If you look at weekly, this will come across as a wick, okay? It'll come up. This is it. Not going any lower than this. This is finished. This is the bottom of Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. Okay, and we would go up. I see a 70 to 80% pump coming in Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is not going to pump alone, right? The whole market's gonna pump. I mean, not whole market. There are large caps. I see XRP pumping. I see Bitcoin Cash pumping. Then there is a odd crypto called ICP, Internet Computer. I see that pumping. I'll tell you what coins I feel confident about that they're going to pump. Bitcoin Cash is going to pump. It's not going to be a huge pump. From here, it's going to be between 75 to 80% pump. But that will take Bitcoin Cash to $200. So once it reaches that $200 to $220 level, I expect a big crash coming for Bitcoin Cash. See, this I expect right now. Let me show you. So, a couple more weeks of boarding price action. Like it would just, you know, jerk around right here. Like up and down, up and down. The bottom is already in, okay? So it would just jerk around few weeks here before we start going up. So June, July, I expect Bitcoin Cash to hit this target. So that is somewhere around from the bottom. It's 75 to 80%. So if you look at Bitcoin Cash against dollar, see here. See, it would waste time in this triangle, right? So Bitcoin Cash would waste time in this triangle until June. It's possible, you know, it might go up to this level, $250, then might dump back again to $135 before we go to this $200 to $230, between $220 to $235. That's where I would expect. Once Bitcoin Cash reaches this level, I'll get very vigilant about the whole market, because then I would expect a big crash coming, because I do expect Bitcoin Cash, not only Bitcoin Cash, everything would come back down, you know, come back for a retest of this level. If you're coming back for a retest, that look September, you know, might waste end of the year, right? Would waste some time here, and then we would go up. Then after that, no one can stop Bitcoin Cash. I see a huge cycle for Bitcoin Cash. But when this crash happens, I will know when Bitcoin Cash reaches this level where other altcoins are. I will know where Bitcoin is, where Ethereum is. Depending on that, we'll make our decision, okay, of what's happening. I'm very bullish on XRP. So when Bitcoin Cash reaches this $220 mark, I'll see where XRP is, and we'll make our decision depending on what kind of proof we have. We are like detectives, right? Trying to figure out where the local top is, right? And when the crash is going to come. So this crash from $230, I would say 230 to, it should be 40 to 45% crash. Yeah, for Bitcoin Cash, 40 to 45%. A big, massive crash. Steve, another 110, bro. What's up? Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. You're awesome, bro. Digibyte. I spoke to one of my Patreons about Digibyte. Told him how bullish I was for Digibyte. If Digibyte explodes right from here where we are, it's going to be the biggest cycle for Digibyte, okay? You'll forget any meme coins. It's gonna go up that much, okay? But the only thing is, has it completed its see, Digibyte was in this channel, I feel. So I think it already came and retested this level right here. So I think this retest is done. And I was expecting the downturn here. That thing is done too. Once Digibyte explodes, bro, you know, I would expect something like this. It being a channel, if this is the channel that I would expect Digibyte to be in, you see, if it does not go down any lower than this, if you don't get any lower low than 0.009, right, I see this, the whole thing, as a channel. Okay, and look at where the top of the channel is. $2-3. I was talking about $1 Digibyte. Okay, $1 Digibyte, I would be really happy. $1. But when I look at the whole Digibyte, it's the whole channel. Look at that. You know, top, bottom, bottom, bottom. It confirmed the bottom 3 times on this channel, right? And it confirmed the top 1, 2, 3. 3 times it confirmed the top on the top. 1, 2, and 3 times at the bottom. So I would say if we go according to this channel, then Digibyte could probably go between I would say $3 Digibyte. Not $1, $3. And it would play out like this. When Digibyte explodes, it's gonna be crazy. I would say $3. Yeah. A lot of people, last time I was expecting $1, but now I look at it at $3 Digibyte. That would be crazy. Look at that. More than 100x, bro. More than 100x. Yeah. If Digibyte does not make any lower low, if it makes a lower low than this, then it breaks our channel. It breaks our channel, breaks our mojo, and then I would look at Digibyte as this channel, like the way we made previously. And I will be looking at this, and I'll be looking forward it to come to 25 cents, 26 cents. This would be the mark. But for me right now, I'm following this big channel, and I would see, Digibyte is still a low cap. It's one of the oldest cryptos, still really low cap, and they are doing big things. Fundamentally, I believe Digibyte is trying to work with the European Union with their digital identity. European Union is big on digital identity. All right, so let's see. Hold on. Found Digibyte. See, Europa.eu. DigiID. It's called DigiID for EU. Read this thread. I did some, back in the day, I did some deep research on this. I'll put the thread here. Right, here's the thread. I think they're working on digital identity. If that comes to fruition, you know how big Digibyte can be? How many billions and billions of dollars would come into Digibyte? So, yeah, man, I'm bullish on Digibyte until we don't break this. If we break below this and have a monthly close below this, then I'll be bearish. But this is one of the most bullish chart on any crypto. Again, most amount of money will be made in Digibyte. It'll be crazy. But we need to break out. Make sure we don't go anywhere below this line. We go below this line, then we are screwed. Okay? We just keep on making Digibyte. Make sure, might go to 18 cent then if it breaks below this and comes back down, and it increases the chances of this scenario. Comes down like that. Okay, just makes a 2 tower. Okay, if something really bad happens, then. But I don't think that's a scenario right now, because I'm looking at all the other cryptos. Bitcoin Cash is going to have a huge cycle. XRP is going to have a huge cycle. So Digibyte is going to have a huge cycle. So these are older cryptos. They will do well. It's about time. It's just how long it stays in this channel. That's questionable. Okay, how long it stays in this channel. But when the time comes and it has a breakout, it's going to be huge. See? Who else is here? Who's new here? Steve, how long you been following me? On YouTube? Are you on Twitter? I post some videos and charts on Twitter too. Sean Young, allow DGB. Can you look at H bar? Yes, I do have H bar. Free, I'm waiting on drop from SLP, DCA. Free, we'll have to see. We'll know if it's going to drop in next week or so. Okay. Yeah, Sean Young, I'm definitely reading that thread. Sure, bro. Saw some information on Digibyte a little bit ago. They are the OGs in the space and many volunteers. Pretty awesome project. Yeah. So, yeah, man. I feel good. Fundamentally, this project is awesome, and yeah, it's good. It's been there since so old, right? There must be something going on, right? That's why it's there. Where was I? H bar.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The sorrows will be in our dawn when we finally soar.
I wouldn't be surprised if we go to this level. 20 between 25 to 27 for H bar, but I do think there's another low left for H bar. I'll tell you why I'm thinking so.
The trees will grow, the lights will melt. But your face remains the same.
Yeah, I would say 20 cents. 20 cents, between 20 to 22 cents is feasible for H bar. But after that, I wouldn't think too much about H bar. It's possible it might drop to these levels.
The sorrows will be in our dawn when we finally soar. They'll be gone. The trees will bloom, the nights will melt, but your face remains the same. But your face remains.
We'll see. Once it reaches here, we'll see where Bitcoin is and other cryptos are, and we'll decide from there. But I do think it's going to 20 cents H bar. Then it's possible we might come drop to this level and come back down here, and then the H bar cycle starts. You see this as a shoulder, head, and make another shoulder and down like that, like a dick with two balls. We'll see. I'll have to see where the whole crypto market is, and we'll decide from there. If it follows this route, which is here, it forms this channel right there, then we will do well. Okay, if it decides to go on this route instead of going down, if we don't, it comes and kisses here, right, goes up to 20 cents, and then comes back down and just kisses this level, and then we go up, then I would say $1, between $1 to $1.60 would be H bar next level. Like that. Okay, but we have to see. It has to stop here. It can't go any lower than 5 cents. Then only I would be thinking that. Okay, it has to stop here at this level. Once it goes to 20 cents, if it comes back down, it cannot go lower than this 5 cent mark. Then this channel will continue and we can go up to $1.50, $1.60 mark for H bar. Good project, H bar. I have $9,000 worth of H bar. Oh, 3 weeks? How did you find me? And Insta. Funny videos on Instagram. Oh. Yeah, man. That's my Instagram is more like a meme account. But that's how. How did you came to know about me? Was it through Instagram? Bitcoin Baijan. Wow, can't believe Digibyte would go to 3. Yeah. Gotta go because of time difference. See you on the next live. Alright, Steve. Sean Young, have you checked into staking H bar? No, bro. I don't want to get stuck in staking. I'm strictly here to make money. I don't want to get my coin stuck. The only thing I would do would put my Theta on Theta wallet and earn T Fuel. If I have a Guardian node, I have a lot of Theta. I have almost what? I forgot how much Theta. I think 57,000 Theta. So I can, do a Guardian node. But I'll be leaving soon too. I don't want to make live too long, or else people don't watch the whole thing. All right. So we went through really good things today. People who are just joining, watch this video. Very informative. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Okay? Have a good one. I need to talk to this girl. Okay? Later. Bye.